Hey guys, we got a couple new devices from Cigman, and so we're going to look at these, and I'm going to tell you that this little guy right here, I've tried a lot of little laser levels, but the CM701SE is incredible. It packs the power in such a small device, and I'll show you that in a little bit. And then we got this laser distance, basically a laser tape measure. It's got multiple functions, multiple ways to measure, and this is the CD60. So the CM701, this is how it's packaged, and you can see it's about the size of my hand, and the device is even smaller, but comes with a nice user manual. It has a lot of attachments to it, but this is the actual device itself. And so you'll see it's really compact. And that's why I say this thing, I've used Bosch, and you can see the video that I've got on the Bosch Transit level, which is a little bit different than this. But you can see that there's a lot of angles and everything, and we're going to show you that in this little device here. So it's got a lock, it's got a stand, it's got a charger. It even has a nice little remote that comes with it, so you can switch it and from there. Then it's got this charging cable and a nice little stand that you can put it on and lock it down, and it's got magnets on the back of it so you can attach it to a ladder or whatever you're using. On the Sigma CD60, same deal. It comes with the charger, nice manual, and this device, we'll go ahead and turn it on, and you can see as you go through these functions here and you push this button, you can aim it different ways. So if you want to prop it on a wall or a different side of the wall, you can do that. You can have meters, inches, and then I like this because you can put it in the middle and then just figure out what the distance is from side to side. So it works great for, I was using it for long distances and measuring the gables up in the trusses inside, and it worked really well. It's got a function to record your settings, and it's got your measurements here, so you can basically see the laser that's popping up there, and then you can shoot it and get your distance and everything else. The battery life on this is really good. It'll last, I charged it after a week of use. So let's break out the CM701SE, and I'm just going to kick on the power here, but we'll show you exactly how this thing works. So this is a self-leveling device. So what it's doing right now, it's trying to figure out what's level. And you can see from our new stair treads there that you can see how level they are because it's right on. But then you can get your verticals, your horizontals. But let's find a stable spot for it, and we're going to go through the functionality of this. So we got the device down here on the floor, and it will self-level. There's not a lot of them that will self-level like this. And we can see up on the wall there, we've got our line, and you can see on the stud here how straight the line is. It's following that stud right up, and it's super bright, so you can see it up on the ceiling for the joist and where the stud follows the wall. So it'll self-level. And then on these buttons here, you can see that we can give it, if we want to see our walls on the bottom there, we just turned on the horizontal, So that'll give us whether we're plumb with the bottom of the wall. Let me just zip over here and show you this real quick. So you can see it's got a nice bright line. And look at this, it comes around the stud. Even though it's directly facing the stud, it actually comes around. And so if you want to mark lines for doing your holes for electrical or whatever, you can set this and it follows the contour of your 2x4 or your 2x6 right around the stud. So how it does that is just incredible, because you can see over here we've got the contour and we're blocking it a little bit, but you can see how bright that is. So we'll just come back over here and we're going to set the vertical again. So now we've got this vertical that's on off. So now we're looking at this one, and I've got it on this concrete floor because it just accents it so well. So now if we look at the mortar lines going up this wall, we can see how good they are. So it follows right on the edge there, on the edge up here. And so we can see how straight our mortar lines are just by looking at this. And then we've got another vertical right there. So that's the other one. And then the cool thing is, if we want to take the remote here and shut off the horizontal, we can do that just by using the remote. So then we can reset or turn off and on the other verticals. So look at, as we look at it this way, that's on with the remote, that's on and then off. And then we can do the same with the other vertical. Same with the horizontal. So the horizontal, you can see it picking up on the rough plumbing here. I can't express how bright it is. It almost looks like, and it's light right now. It's not dark down here. So this unit is so small, and it's going to start flashing because it's got like a gimbal in it, and it's trying to reset to get everything level. But I'm going to tell you, I hate to say this because I've got nobody's paying me to do these videos. They're just sending me product, and then we test it out. And this is one of my favorites so far. So if you like this video or you're using different other lasers, leave it in the comments section. And if you like this video, hit the thumbs up so that other people can see this. But you can see over in the corner how it's bouncing. It's just trying to get level. But of course my hand's not that steady. So, but this thing is incredible. I just love this little machine. Thanks for watching, guys.